wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Today I want to talk to you about our prep products to prepare a deck for staining. We're obviously known for our Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain, which can be applied to wet or dry wood. But first we have to prep the wood and get it ready. So how are we going to do that? We use a two-step process in wood restoration. First we're either cleaning, restoring, stripping as step one. Step two, we're brightening the wood. So we run into different scenarios when we're restoring wood. The first thing is we run into new wood, we run into gray wood, we run into wood that has a little bit of coating left over. We have some with some organic growth like mold, mildew, algae, and so forth. And how do we get through that and prep our deck? So step one, if we're just using new wood, gray wood, or a little bit of organic growth, we can use our deck cleaner. And our deck cleaner is great as far as a step one. It's not harmful to plants or animals or anything. It's like an oxygenated type bleach product where you don't have to worry about plants or anything. It's not a chlorine bleach. It's powder. It does mix better in warm water. When you're searching for these type of products, it's a pretty common product as far as a deck cleaner. I like to think that our products are the best in the industry. Our deck cleaner would be step one. You mix with warm water. All the instructions are on the back. It tells you how to do it. We can do this by the gallon, or we can do it by a 5-gallon pail. This could be, once it's mixed in water, could be applied with any type of sprayer. It is really good at getting to your organic growth, much better than sodium hypochlorite or bleach or any of the household type stuff. So that's your step one. And then step two is your brightener. Now your brightener does a lot of things great for the wood because one is it brings back that natural, beautiful color of the wood. That's what we're looking for, because the better the prep, the better the end result. But it also will get rid of your iron or metal stains from any of your furniture, your nails, your screws, latches on the gates or anything like that, hinges, anything like that. It will get rid of those. It also kind of opens up the wood a little bit so that it will accept the stain better. There's a lot of good reasons for using the brightener to prepare for sealing or staining the wood. The biggest thing is you got to use two steps. Wood restoration is going to be two steps. Don't miss one without the other, because again, you won't have that optimal look when you're done. The second product we have on the prep side of it, though, is our cleaner remover. And our cleaner remover is a really good product because if you have a lot of growth, you may have to do that twice if you have a lot of growth. Because if you neglected your deck for 5 years, 6 years, 7, 8 years, 10 years, and you got a lot of growth on it, it's kind of hard to get it all off in one shot. So in that case, you go to the cleaner remover. This is our strong cleaner or our light stripper. It has a little bit of stripping ability to it. So you have a little bit of coating left over, light coating. It's pretty degraded. You have some places like under the mat, maybe under where the umbrella stand is. Great product. Heavy growth, great product. You do it one time, has a lot of lifting ability in it, and that's your step two. So we call that the cleaner remover. Now, even if you use the cleaner remover, you still need to use the brightener for all the same reasons. Opens up the pores of the wood, brightens the wood real nice, gets rid of all your iron and metal stains, really gives you a good look. Step one, step two, step one, step two. Now here's the bonus part of our products. Our cleaner remover is also a very, very good composite deck cleaner, and it's approved to be used in all scenarios with composite decking. A lot of your manufacturer recommendations do not recommend the use of chlorine bleach. In that case, our cleaner remover is an excellent cleaner for your composite decks because it have that lifting ability and cleaning ability. So we call them our DIY products, but they're not just DIY. Contractors use these all the time too. And you know why? Because they're portion controls. So what happens is you can actually give to the employee, if these are your employees, you could say you have this is good for 500, 750 square feet. You got a deck that's 1,000 square feet. You give them two of these. You tell your employees to go ahead and clean the deck, and they already have the product and so forth. They're ready to go. So they do it that way, and a lot of our contractors do it. Order these even by the case. There's 12 in a case. so that they can actually portion control and kind of control their cost with their employees. We also have these products. We call them the contractor grade, but only because they're in a concentrated liquid in a 5-gallon container. And you can find all these on our store at www.deckandwoodstain.com. That's www.deckandwoodstain.com. So check out our products and place your order today. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thank you for watching this video.